User Guide. Tooling Editor. Click here to create a new tool. Enter a name for the tool. Then set the height. Then set the tool angle, radius, and the tool load limit. Then confirm, and a new tool will be created. Click the lower mold button to prepare for creating a new lower mold. Click New Tool again. New tool name. Die height. V opening. V angle. Die radius. Safety zone send, the distance from the bending center to the back edge of the die. The distance from the bending center to the edge of the die is called send. Conversion refers to the mute point, which is the advanced distance where the ram switches from fast approach to slow pressing. Tool load limit. And the tool editing is complete. Then we can click the product button. Tap New Product and enter the product name. Select Numerical Programming. You can toggle between internal and external dimension programming. Click Material. You can choose different material types. Select the punch. Select the die. Then we can directly go into data programming. Now we can modify the data directly. Modify the plate width, angle. The return distance can be adjusted as needed. The bending speed usually has a default value. Then set the x-axis dimension for the back gauge. Modify the plate thickness. If we need to add more steps, click Add Step. We can also delete any extra steps. We can program each step individually. We can also modify this step to choose if it requires hemming or bumping. The radius of the arc. The arc length is the position of the first bend for this arc. The number of bends means how many times the machine will hit this arc. You can choose half pitch at start and end, or choose the equal pitch method. Then click the automatic button. Run the program to start bending.